it's for like this. Okay, so you will like clamp, 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 clamp. So the feeling is like it's very heavy, like to my hand is compared to the other pliers. This one is pretty heavy. Yeah, but the finish is very good. Okay, the finish is very good. You can see the wood handle here. So this when you pull, just go like this. Okay, this is like let me check. Yeah, 38 centimeters. All right, so I will make another video which is more details, and I will like compare between these pliers, because like I have pretty much, I have this one, another plier also, and I also have another pliers which is this one. Yeah, this is another pliers, and also I have another pliers. So this one is the cheapest, but I will make another video compare between these four for you. Okay, thanks, bye bye.